Alright, today's project, we gotta try to fix this parking lot. Got some pretty deep holes, nasty ruts. This is our entrance. As you can see, it's completely rutted out. And our driver's starting to complain. Vehicle we're using today, 920 or 930. Let's see if she'll start. Just two hands climb up this thing. Turn power on. Climb all in. Yeah, this thing's old. Let the glow plug warm up a little bit. Alright, there's the first part. Smoothed out. Holes are filled. For the most part. It ain't easy in this parking lot. The parking lot's made up of gravel and slag. I'll work on these ones. This one's number one priority. I don't know if you guys can see the edge on that. Some deep holes. It's all thanks to Mother Nature. She running good. Alright, it's been a while. That one's fixed. There's the first one I did over there. This one's looking pretty good. I gotta do that one. It's nothing major, but still doing pretty well. We got one more up there I missed and two small ones. Took it pretty good. Alright, it's been about an hour later. This side's looking almost level. Wasn't happy with this bit. I went over it again, brought some more dirt, gravel over. Flattened her out. Filled in a couple holes. I just have that one left, and it'll be done for the day. Machine's running pretty well. This thing is old, tired, falling apart. Alright, that's it for the day. Got the back entrance looking good again. Stay tuned for next video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. I have a good day.